Yes. Introduction is the important part in which what we do, we introduce uh, many aspects of our research, that what is our research or why we want to conduct that type of research, or what are our objectives for conducting for that research, or what is the logic behind it, what is the need behind it, or why we are going to conduct that particular type of research. In the introduction, we write all these things. Okay, the third step is the review of related literature. Now, review of related literature, I think you people know very well what we mean by review of related literature. Anyone of you? Anyone of you, what do you mean by review of related literature? Have you ever seen any thesis? No. Not anyone? Review of related literature.
सर आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल भी क्लियर नहीं आ रही।
सर बहुत कट के आ रही है तो समझ नहीं आ रहा।
अभी सही है या अभी भी साउंड का प्रॉब्लम है? Is it all right now?
सर सही साउंड का प्रॉब्लम है।
सर अभी सही है, अभी सही है।
ठीक है, इंटरनेट का कनेक्शन का प्रॉब्लम है। आई थिंक इट इज ओके नाउ।
यस सर।
Okay, now we are talking about the review of related literature. Review of related literature means उसी topic पे what previously has been said or what other researches has been conducted on that particular topic or on that particular research. So it is not necessary that we are new who are conducting some study of some phenomena, but before today, maybe other researchers, other people had already done some type of research there on that topic, and what are their findings, what they did found. So ये बात हमें help करेगी कि what other people had already done and what were their findings. So in the light of their findings, we will try to conduct our study. For example, if we are going to find a solution, a remedy of COVID-19. So going into the field, before going into the field or before conducting a study, we will see we will see that what others have done. अगर आवाज प्रॉब्लम कर रही है अभी, तो हमारे पास बस में और कुछ भी नहीं है कि हम इसको पोस्टपोन कर दें। अगर नेट का इशू है या तो हम 1 मिनट वेट करें।
यस सर, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही क्लियर।
बिल्कुल क्लियर नहीं है, तो आज नेट का इशू है शायद।
नो सर,
प्रॉब्लम कर रही है सर।
मेरे पास आ रही है, बाकी का पता नहीं।
सर आ रही है पढ़ना, सर आ रही है आपकी आवाज।
हाँ, ये हमारा नेट पर अब स्लो है। ठीक है, अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो हम इसको कल पे कंटिन्यू कर लें, या अभी जैसे आप कहें हम कंटिन्यू करें। व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन देन?
सर आपका आवाज सही आ रहा है
जी सर, मुझे
जी
सर आपका आवाज सही आ रहा है।
अब सही है?
यस सर, कंटिन्यू कर दें क्लास।
Okay, now we were talking about the review of related literature. So I was telling you that if we are going to get a remedy or medicine of COVID-19, then what we will do, we will see that what others have already done in this field, what others are doing, और लोगों के क्या तजर्बात हैं और लोगों के क्या तासरात हैं. So we will see them. It is review of related literature. Related literature means the literature that is present in the same topic. So before we going to find a new answer, before we are going to find new remedy, what we will do, we will see that what other people had already done in the same field. After review of literature, there is the part of methodology. Methodology means what will be our method, how we will conduct some study, how we will conduct some research, or how we will be there, how we will find our results. So that will be the methodology. In methodology, there are many different things. If I have got more time, then I will briefly describe you each and everything of the research methodology. So in your, I think, last semester, in your first fifth semester, you will be able to learn all things in detail, and you will have to write a research report in your fifth semester. So then everything will be very much clear to you. Now just this is the introduction of a research report, and we are discussing about the contents of the research report. Okay, the next one is the results and discussions. After telling the methodology, that what was our methodology, we will discuss that how we reach to the conclusions, how we reach to the findings, and what were our methods. So in that in that part of the result and discussion, we will write these things, that how we are reached to the conclusions and what methods we had applied in reaching to the conclusions. Next will be the summary and conclusion. Okay, again, summary is just like abstract, that how we reached to the findings, what was overall method, what was overall strategy of our research, and what are our conclusions, means how we are reached to the conclusion, what is our final word. After doing all that research, what are our final words, what are our final thoughts. So those are called the results. And in the last, there are references. References, I think you all people know that bibliography as well as the alphabetically references in APA style. We write in every assignment, we call them the references, means the references that were used in our study. And after references, the part comes appendix. Appendix means we have to attach some important documents which we had used in the study there. All this is the map of your contents of research report. Have you got the thing? Now what you are going to write a research report. Will you do that?
Yes, sir, inshallah.
Yes, sir, inshallah.
Yes, sir. Inshallah, sir.
So I will give you topics, and what you will do, you will write a research report of I think not more than 6 pages and not less than 5 pages. So in this way, with all these headings, subheadings, you will have to write a research report, and you have to submit till the next week. Any question?
Sir, heading should be a must or should be orally? You can do the like a paragraph.
No, first of all, you will write in written form. That will be written form.
Yeah.
Your
Sir, heading
assignment.
should be a, sir, heading should be a must in the in terms of the paragraph.
Headings means these all headings will be there, but in those headings you will discuss your topic.
Sir, I mean that headings must be or not? I think should be a paragraph also, right?
No, this is not a paragraph. That will be a research study. And in that
I mean,
research
sir, it should be
study,
in 5 and 6 pages, but as like a paragraph.
no, in 5 or 6 pages by using all these headings. You are not still getting the point. For example, I am giving you a task. Why our education system is not working properly. So that will be your topic, and you will make introduction of that topic, then review of literature of that topic, then methodology, then result discussion, then conclusion. The last, you will write the abstract of all the things which you have done. That will be a research report of 5 or 6 pages.
Yes, sir. So topic, will you give the topic or?
Maybe, I think now I am going to tell some of the topics. You people note them, and to whom whatever seems easy, you can select that topic. Have you, all you people have pen and paper?
Yes, sir.
By the roll numbers or sir, the sequence?
Okay, I am giving you by the roll number.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
How many students are you there?
Sir, we have 18 students.
Hmm?
Sir,
I think 60 students.
18.
सर 19 है
सर 19
सर खुद भी तो है ना.
Yes, I am also there. Now, what should be the strategy of topics? I think if I will give from roll number 1 to 5 one topic, then what you will do, you will copy from each other. Will it happen?
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, no, sir. I think should be everything. Everyone has a different mind, so definitely should be a different.
Okay. Then leave today. Tomorrow, inshallah, I will give you the topics and will write on the group that topic number 1 is for 1 to 5 and topic number 2 is for 6 to 10, and in this way, I will assign the topics.
Yes, sir. That's good. Thanks.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
sir. Thank you.
Anything
Thank you,
else?
sir.
Anything else?
Yes. No, sir. No, sir. That's enough. Thanks.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. I think now it's late. Should we say goodbye now, huh?
Yes, sir. We should say thanks. Goodbye.
Okay.
Okay.
Allah
Thank you, sir.
Hafiz.